Yay, I got that before I went to charge this. Look at you. We're at 1%, bud. Yeah? I figured I would vlog today. I haven't vlogged in a couple of weeks, so I thought it would be fun, especially because I have the house kind of to myself right now. My brothers are asleep and my parents went to go play tennis, so I figured, you know, I would kind of take advantage of the downstairs for once since I'm usually filming up in my room. So yeah, and I've just been working on some dishes. I was going to show you guys the before, but the battery was completely dead whenever I went to go vlog, of course. What? What do you have to say, bud? So yeah, I've cleaned those dishes, I'm still working on some more, and then I filled up some of the dishwasher too, but yeah, a ways to go. Oh, bud, you want to help? No? So cute. Alright, now I gotta charge this more because it's at 1%. I did not plan this well. I thought this thing was a fully charged, but yeah. Yay, I got that before I went to charge this. Look at you. We're at 1%, bud. Yeah? Love you. Alright, so we're just gonna let those dishes dry for a bit and I'll work on editing a video or something. So we're just gonna turn the lights off out there. What you doing over there, bud? He loves his cat tree, huh? Hi. I don't know if I told you guys this, but see all the way up there? He fell from there to there. I was so worried that that was gonna happen, and it finally did, and he was okay. I'm just like, buddy, you gotta stop running and jumping up on those rails. He pretty much learned his lesson. He still goes up there on occasion, but not as much, huh, bud? Not as much. Look at that face. Oh, my little love. All right, now we're gonna set the mood by putting on the lights on the street just because they're nice. Lighting is key, people. Lighting is key. But yeah, my mom put the elf on the shelf in the tree. Oh, it is a pretty tree. She went for a red and silver theme. So red, white, and silver. So, and then there's some like antique-y gold in here as well, but for the most part, it was red, white, and silver. Okay, we got our little setup going on. I am just editing a video for Beauty Vlogger 101, so I had to create a little short video that goes in here, which was from my previous video, How to Socialize on YouTube. So I just have to drag and drop. This is just part of my process. I really need to go through that process with you guys on Beauty Vlogger 101. I think I did before, but I need to do like an updated version. So I just have to drag and drop what I call the ST video because it's the short video.
One thing that will help you to socialize on YouTube is to comment. So yeah, you're watching the video, you're getting to know the other YouTuber, but are they getting to know you? And hey YouTubers, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my top...
Mikey's still chilling up there. Looking like a little blob. Alright, now I'm going to refill up on coffee. I usually use my Keurig, but because I only want a little bit more, I'm just using some of my parents' coffee. I know, right, bud? Because I don't want to waste a whole K-cup when I only want a little bit more. Love you. Oh, look at my little squeaker. Squeak again. There we go. All right, while that coffee is heating up, I'm gonna go turn off these lights because I don't want all this electricity. Now it's really bright out. Oh, bud, you gonna try and trip me? You love your new tree, huh? So, turn that off. Just don't wanna waste electricity. It was dimmer earlier, but now it doesn't give me the same dim lighting. Maybe it's just the environmentalist in me, I don't know. Look at my bud. Love your face. All right, back to get the coffee. Wearing my new pajamas. You guys see my button-up pajamas all the time, but now I have a new pair. So cute. I'll show you in 1 second. I love this mug too. Obsessed. Let's put it here for a second. But yeah, here's the jammies. I'm gonna be doing a try-on haul of my entire Victoria's Secret button-up pajama collection, so stay tuned. Good boy. Trying to get up there, hon? He ran up here, jumped on top of here, and then just slid down. Oh, but you remember that time? You keep trying stuff out and it doesn't work, huh? Gotta be more careful. Oh, I love you. A little baby. Wanna get the ball? There you go. Alright, now I got coffee and water. Now I can start watching my video and just seeing if there's anything that I need to edit. Actually, I have to do a lot of editing. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Hey YouTubers, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my top 10 most popular videos of 2017. So across the whole year, what were my most popular videos between my Beauty Addict Next Door YouTube channel and my Beauty Blogger 101 YouTube channel. And in all of my top 10 videos...
Okay, so my battery is starting to die down here and I kind of feel like going upstairs. I have like this little office area that is a complete joke that I put together for myself. I'll show you guys in a second. Oh Lord, I'm trying to carry this. And my one foot is asleep. Oh shoot, my left foot and calf is asleep. Look at that face. Oh Lord, like walking funny. So I put this little stand there in the corner, so it's right by where all the plugs are, so I can easily plug in my laptop and my phone, but it's also right by this windowsill so I can put snacks, coffee, and water without it spilling, because before I was setting it up on my bed, but then my bed is kind of smushy and moves, and then the pillows I would use for my back, but then they would fall off, so I don't really have anything for my back here, but whatever. Now I am watching some videos from Allie S. She started her own boutique and I've been watching her videos to learn more about how to start a boutique, kind of get the inspiration, see the behind the scenes stuff. So if you guys are interested in doing the same thing, I would check out her channel. So like I said, I'll zoom. It is Allie S. And the reason why I'm watching her videos is because I would love to start a boutique one day or do something where I start my own business. So I feel like this was giving me some good background info. I changed my lipstick because the other one was not. I'm just not a fan of e.l.f. liquid lipsticks. They're just not good. So I'm going to go in with a